Assalamualaikum and a very big hello to my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel Frolic Tabassum. So वीडियो का टाइटल देखते ही समझ में आ गया होगा What am I having in a day? Please share it. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you all my diet food, and it's my favorite month this year, December. Yay! Let me know in the comment section box which is your favorite month and why. December is a favorite month cause obviously it's winter month and it's my grandmother's birthday. She's not here with us. She's there, happily there with the God in heaven, smilingly. It's her birthday and it was her favorite month. Actually जब भी winter start होता अपना skin dull and dry होना शुरू हो जाता, but for me it's not like this. Cause I've got the right serum for the winter season. I'll be sharing with you all what serum am I using. As you all can see my skin. So let me all show you the serum which I'm using specially to be used in the winter season. So ये winter season में सुबह सुबह इतना अच्छा skin soft and glow कैसा हो रहा? Friends, I didn't apply anything. Face wash करते कि I applied this serum. So I have started using this Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. So let me apply and show you. This face serum is for radiant skin. इसको हाथ पे थोड़ा सा लेकर डॉट्स के जैसा लगा लो. Massage in upward circular motion. This face serum is a combination of vitamin C and turmeric. As you all know, vitamin C is so good. It reduces the fine lines and pigmentation, and turmeric is an antioxidant and it gives you a natural glow. So after face wash, I apply this face serum followed by moisturizer. This face serum is specially for the radiant skin and it's perfect for the winter. And as I said, it's a combination of vitamin C and turmeric, and it reduces hyperpigmentation, it reduces fine lines, and it gives you a very natural glow. इसके साथ साथ I ordered 2 more face serums, and other 2 face serum are Skin Plump Face Serum with hyaluronic acid and rosehip oil for ageless skin, and the other one is Upton Face Serum with turmeric and saffron for skin brightening. It is suitable for men and women of age 15 years and above, and it's suitable for all skin types. For best results, apply twice a day. This face serums reduce hyperpigmentation, brightens our face, films and reduce fine lines. These products are even available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, but I personally choose to buy from Mamaearth website or Mamaearth app. Because whenever we order from Mamaearth people will link our product to a tree that they are going to plant. So Mamaearth people have come up with an initiative that by 2025 they are going to plant 1 million trees. Wow! To plant a tree for the environment, I love to buy from the Mamaearth website or Mamaearth official app. To check out these products, do check out their product links in the description box, and to get discount on the products, use my coupon code TABASSUM2021 and get 20% off on Mamaearth official website and on Mamaearth official app. Mamaearth has their own official website and app. I'm going to link it in the description box. Please do have a look. Official app is available on Android and on iOS. And app users get early access to sales and even they get extra discounts. So personally, I love to buy it from their website because I'm saving the environment, I'm going to plant a tree, and even I am going to get early access to sales and even on discounts. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही, सो लेट्स गो एंड हैव ब्रेकफास्ट. बट बिफोर दैट आप लोग को ये बोलना था कि ये मेरा 2nd मंथ है डाइट स्टार्ट करके. वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम जब स्टार्ट करी, मैं ये सोच के स्टार्ट नहीं करी कि मैं रात रात दुबली हो जाऊंगी, मैं ऐसा दिखूंगी, वो ये आई विल फिट इन माई ओल्ड क्लोथ्स. नो, आई डिडंट एट ऑल ड्रीम्ड अबाउट इट. बिकॉज मेरा मेन फोकस वेट लॉस नहीं, हेल्थी ईटिंग पर है. So my advice for the people who wants to lose weight, I would definitely say this. So whenever you're starting your diet, if you're starting it for the first time, because this is the first time I've started doing this in my life, बिकॉज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा दुबली थी, बहुत ही बहुत ज़्यादा. इन ईयर 2020 आई पुट ऑन वेट, सडनली आई पुट ऑन वेट बिकॉज आई यूज टू गो टू द वर्कआउट बिफोर दैट, बट लॉकडाउन आने की वजह से, जंक बहुत ज़्यादा खाने की वजह से, घर पर रह कि I put on lot of weight. But before that I was very slim and never in my dream thought that one day I'll be dieting to lose weight. But that's okay. मैं उतने साल दुबली थी तो शायद now it's time to मे बी अब मोटी हुई होंगी, मे बी, बट दैट्स ओके. डू एक्सरसाइज, go for walking, yoga, gym, whichever you're comfortable with, but you have to do exercise. Keep yourself busy, keep your heart and soul clean, keep your environment happy, keep everybody happy, and be yourself happy from inside. In and out you should be beautiful. We all should be beautiful from in and out. नीयत साफ रखो, नमाज पढ़ो, do your prayers, do your puja, whichever god you follow, but don't forget to pray. बस जल्द से जल्द ये नया वायरस जो भी है कोविड, और ये जो नया वायरस है जो भी है, बस सब गायब हो जाना. एवरीथिंग शुड बिकम नॉर्मल. सो विदाउट टॉकिंग मोर ऑन दिस, let's go and check out my first meal. So my first meal in breakfast I'm having 2 wheat rolls. इसमें जो है 5 egg whites with पालक है. 5 egg whites with palak. So these are my 2 wheat rolls, and so breakfast में 2 wheat rolls with 2 oranges. That's my breakfast and that's my meal 1. Now meal 2, 150 gram papaya with 1 tablespoon chia seeds. So chia seeds are already soaked chesano. And that's my meal 2 with 150 grams papaya and 1 tablespoon chia seeds. This is my favorite cup, Hello Kitty favorite cup. Hello Kitty. ఇది నా స్నాక్స్ కప్ అనమాట. సో ये स्पॉन्ज केक है, ये इट्स सेंट टू मी बाय गोल्ड स्टार बेकरी फ्रॉम सिकंदराबाद. वो लोग पर्सनली ये मेरे लिए भेजे, तो थैंक यू सो मच गोल्ड स्टार बेकरी. ये आए जब डब्बा फुल था, इट वॉज 2 layers, और इसको ख़त्म करे सो अमान. This is my favorite. So as you all know, I'm on diet, so sometimes I have this much or 1 sponge cake, but दीनी इसको चने के जैसा चाबरे सो ये बच्चा. And what are you having in breakfast? Roti with banana, the famous Hyderabadi nasta. So thank you so much Gold Star Bakery, and it's very very tasty. सच में बहुत ज़्यादा यमी है. उन लोगों का बेकरी का एड्रेस मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक करती, प्लीज़ हैव अ लुक. Rishma aunty, Arbaz and me are going to Charminar. सो वहाँ पे अरबाज को बहुत भूख लग रही थी, सो वी वेंट टू शादाब. एक्चुअली मेरा मील 3 जो है सो 150 ग्राम्स ऑफ चिकन विद 100 ग्राम्स ऑफ राइस एंड सॉटेड वेजिटेबल्स है. बट बाहर आए शादाब देखी बिरयानी की खुशबू आई तो चीट तो बनता है. तो कभी कभी बीच में मैं ऐसा चीट कर लेती बट नॉट रेगुलरली, सो समटाइम इट्स ओके. एंड माई मील 4 इज़ 1 बनाना विद 20 ग्राम्स ऑफ आलमंड्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये मेरा कंप्लीट डाइट मेरे बॉडी वेट मेरे बॉडी टाइप के हिसाब से डिज़ाइन करे हुआ है. सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉलो दिस एग्जैक्ट डाइट. And this is my dinner meal 5. It's a chicken soup made by mom. बहुत ही ज़्यादा यमी और टेस्टी है. Thank you so much, mom. Last meal of the day, and this is my dinner. And here's my gift for Arhan. I ordered this customized hanger for him. I ordered 4 of this for Arhan. And it's Arhan's first Christmas, and here's cute romper for him from me. So here's for the cute little Santa.